This is the year you finally start practicing yoga for real. You're joining over 300 million people worldwide who have embraced this ancient practice, rooted in millennia of tradition. Yoga offers more than just a way to stretch. It is a holistic approach that can benefit both your body and mind. Here are 10 great benefits of doing yoga. 1. Improves flexibility. Regular yoga practice stretches and strengthens muscles, increasing overall flexibility, which can prevent injuries and reduce aches and pains. 2. Boosts strength. Many yoga poses engage and tone muscles, building strength and endurance in various parts of the body. 3. Reduces stress. Yoga's focus on deep breathing, mindfulness, and meditation helps to lower cortisol, the stress hormone, and promote relaxation. 4. Enhances mental clarity and focus. The meditative aspect of yoga can sharpen mental focus, improve memory, and promote a clear, calm mind. 5. Promotes better sleep. Yoga helps regulate your nervous system, which can improve sleep quality by reducing stress and calming the mind. 6. Supports heart health. Regular yoga practice can lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve circulation, all of which benefit heart health. 7. Increases mindfulness. Yoga encourages living in the present moment, which enhances self-awareness and can improve emotional regulation. 8. Aids digestion. Certain yoga poses stimulate internal organs, promoting better digestion and helping alleviate issues like bloating or constipation. 9. Improves balance and posture. Many yoga poses require balance and alignment, which can improve posture and stability over time. 10. Boosts mood and mental well-being. Yoga increases levels of serotonin and dopamine, feel-good chemicals, helping reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression while promoting an overall sense of well-being. These benefits highlight how yoga positively affects both the body and mind, making it a comprehensive practice for overall health. So now is the time for you to start your yoga journey. Go online and search for local yoga to find a yoga class near you today. You will be so glad you did it. Your future self is already grateful. Good luck!